everyone. So what I'm saying is join. We would love to add you into our personal circle.
When I first joined the program, I was extremely nervous. Even our instructor, he thought I wasn't going to make it, that I could join because I wasn't put in there, he thought I wasn't going to make it. But now I'm the squadron commander. When I first joined, I got pushed to go in front of a bunch of students and call a bunch of different commands. And it was extremely difficult for me, but now I'm able to do it in front of even more people. And I think joining the program will help me more if you don't feel confident enough or think you can't. Yeah, that's about it.
I am a cadet, airman basic, right? And so I can't tell you too much about the program since this is my first year. But what I can tell you is that this program has improved me in many different ways. First, before this, I was in 8th grade, right? Like all of you, or some of you. And I graduated from PS34. And I was always distracted, never did my work. I was always, just the average person. But then this program has changed me into a better person because it's made me focus more, it's made me learn how to listen to people and do my own stuff with discipline. Now, as they said, it doesn't teach you discipline, but it can improve it if you do have a certain level of high discipline. And so, joining this program is really fun. There's a lot of amazing people I've met, and a lot of these cadets are beautiful souls. They're amazing. They can teach you so much stuff, and if you ever need help, they're the ones to talk to. And I appreciate all you guys for allowing us to come here and talk, and that's about all I have to say.
Sophomore in the program and in high school. I graduated from PS27, which is not far from here. This program has really changed a lot for me. To be honest, I'm gonna be straight up. I'm an introvert. I'm an introvert. I don't like talking. I don't like making eye contact with people. I really have trouble with that. But this program has helped me with that a lot. Helped me with my insecurities and stuff of that sort. I work as fundraising NCO, which means I create ideas to get funds into the program for the equipment, like the rifles, the harnesses for the flag, and just to get money for the program. If you guys are planning on joining the program for specifically 8th graders, if you guys are planning to go to high school and are looking into Dickinson, I would suggest maybe going to the Air Force program. It helps you a lot, and it's fun.
Good morning, everyone.
Special guest.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm Cadet Staff Sergeant Noor, and my job is logistics NCIC. My job is to take care of them looking good in uniform and having them the proper uniform and everything. So I'm a second year in the program, but I'm a junior in my high school. And to be honest, when I first started the Air Force, I thought it was a full-on military training and everything. But I gave my shot anyway, joined, got to know Sergeant McCoy and Sergeant Nelson. I learned a lot of things, made friends. I would say from being friends, they became a family. And Johnson is being my favorite friend, one of them. So my experience is, it's very fun. I would encourage you guys to join. This will help you a lot. Especially me, when back at the time, I wasn't
this confident enough to speak in front of people or go even give presentations. But being in the program, it helped me a lot with it. Now here I can speak in front of even 1,000 people and give a speech or talk with them, which again, it's a really benefit to me in public speaking. So I'll just say one last thing. I hope you guys join, come and experience new things, enjoy life.